Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So still in the bigger range at the moment. Oscillators giving us no indication of anything. We're still hovering here on the 155 EMA at the moment, and we kind of closed on it at 15531. It is starting to look like we have a potential double bottom, but obviously we need to break out this level here, which is 15764, for that to materialize, and I'd like to see a decent retest of it. So for now, upside target is still in that area. Not liking what I see on the 3 hour here. You can see the grouping of the oscillators, almost a rejection bar happening on the 155. Wouldn't surprise me to see some kind of a pullback onto come and close this gap before building some structure. So get down to the hour. You'll see the hour oscillators pretty much giving us the same view, and the nearest bit of half decent structure is down here at 15341. So it does look like a bit of a wedge forming on the hour. Nice solid exhaustion bar, and then gradually ground to higher. So same scenario here as on the S&P, just except there's no data coming out in the morning. So just to see if there's some kind of a pullback. That's what we're looking for, is a pullback onto structure. There may be something around here. Let's just have a look at that on the 15 minutes. Yeah, is a bit of a breakout level there. So that's kind of what we're looking for. But look how deep that pullback is on the 15 minute. It's going to shatter the upward trend on the 15 minute. So maybe a little bit optimistic. If we are watching the 15 minute, you may find that this is about it. So pull back onto 15,500, start giving us inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars, may very well be an opportunity to get along, and your target area is still this 15,764. So while we're paying attention to the hour, is giving me a different feel though. The hour is saying we have got diversions here as well, so this is kind of a flag on the hour. So you'd be looking for a pullback, and pullback for the flag would be, I'm just trying to see where, okay, there's the structure there. No, that's the bottom line. There we go. Okay, so you can see what we're looking for is these pullbacks onto an area. Where did price get to and then suddenly bounce off? That's the level you're paying attention to. So yeah, difficult one. 15441, I'd pay attention to that. I would definitely pay attention to this area here at 15391 or 15400, and then deeper pullback at 15341. But I think these first two levels is probably the one you want to pay attention to. Also want the oscillators on the hour to group to the downside, like as before I started looking for longs. So it's still a bit of a game of wait and see. I would be on the 15 minutes today. Just wait for the oscillators to group to the downside in 15 minutes, see what level we're coming back to. And it's a pretty solid trend yesterday, so it's going to take a lot to break below the bottom of that trend. But even a 50% pullback of the previous day would also offer some kind of a level. So yeah, pay attention to these areas, 15441 and 15391. Those are the extreme levels, I think, and then you've got another one that's just sort of stuck in amongst price action here at 15479. But pay attention to the hour. The hour is the important one at the moment. So we want to see the hours sort of ease off. I'm looking for those oscillators and hours to ease off, and that will give you some comfort that you can get in. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Still wait and see. If it doesn't happen this morning, then you need to wait for the data coming out from the USA this afternoon, and then you may see some fireworks from that. But that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.